we're going to do another example of quotient rule, but this time, as you can see, it says rewrite it. Okay, so technically, students look at this and they say, well, I see division. I'm going to go ahead and use a quotient rule. You can actually avoid the quotient rule here if you just go ahead and break this up as each piece divided by the bottom. So I'm going to basically rewrite it similar to a polynomial. So I'm saying, so I'm not taking a derivative yet. I'm going to rewrite it so that it is pieces that are term by term. Okay, so this is still the original function. Okay, I've just broken it up into baby fractions. So this first one, when I reduce it, so I'm just reducing it using algebra, I get 2x. This next one, when I reduce it, I get minus 3. And this last one, I'm going to still have an x left. That x is in the denominator. So this is really going to be 1 over 2x. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a derivative. Okay. This is easy to take a derivative of. This is easy to take a derivative of. This one needs a little bit more help. Okay. I think the easiest way to look at this problem is to bump that x to the side. Right? Okay, so that 2 is in the denominator, so it has to stay at 1/2. But this x that's in the denominator, we could rewrite it as x to the -1. And now it's ready for power rule. Okay, so let's go for it. So when I go to use just the power rule, not the quotient rule, I'm avoiding the quotient rule. The derivative of 2x is 2. The derivative of 3 is 0. And the derivative of this last term is 1/2, okay? The negative one's going to come down, and then I'm going to subtract 1 from the exponent. So minus 1 is minus 2. So this will be 2 minus 1/2 x to the -2, which is the same thing as 2 minus 1 over 2x squared. Boom. The quotient rule is easy. But I'm just telling you that this will be a lot less algebra in the long run for this problem to rewrite it first and then take the derivative versus, so let's just imagine, if you will, if you decided to do the quotient rule. If you decide to do the quotient rule, you will get to the same final answer, but you're going to get there doing low d high minus high d low, square the bottom, and it's going to be a lot of algebra. So this is the faster, more efficient way to do this problem. Good luck.